Welcome to the 10th Michel Garcia online tutorial. If you work seriously with natural dyes, you already know this. Recipes stop working sooner or later. Colours fail, fibres behave unpredictably. At that point, you don't need another recipe. You need method. In this tutorial, Michel Garcia opens his toolbox. Not just the tools he uses, scales, beakers, pH papers, UV light, simple kitchen equipment, and not just the materials, dye plants, mordants, enzymes, but how he thinks. For decades, Michel Garcia has been called in when things do not work. What makes these problems solvable is not experience alone. It is a way of analysing situations and identifying what truly matters. This course is built around determinant factors, the few conditions that actually control the outcome.
So we have many other questions we can cover in this tutorial. Like, for example, one of them is, can we have only one mordant for all types of fibers? So we had the special aluminum acetate. So we did use for these three as examples. So the aluminum acetate made by calcium acetate plus aluminum sulfate is compatible with wool. So you can heat that without decomposing. So it could be wool, cotton or silk to get attractive results. We like to use a washing machine. So we use a soy milk by a special system.
The goal is not to copy Michel Garcia. The goal is to think more clearly when you work, to design experiments that teach you something, to read results instead of guessing, to archive knowledge so it accumulates instead of disappearing.
So first of all, I must remind you the secret ingredient, the elbow grease. So it means at the end of your day work, it's sometimes difficult to continue a little bit because you are tired, but with a little of extra work, you can archive the things and get it for longer to think about it. So that's very important.